Genus Maxiline 2400 VA is a high-performance lithium-ion battery inverter with zero maintenance, a long lifespan of 12 years and fast charging. So today I will show you how to install it. First of all, determine the right installation space for your inverter. Installation space should be in proper ventilated area or room far from humidity and inflammable area. Now you can see the back side of the inverter, a DC MCB, a AC MCB, bypass switch and terminal box is there. Ensure that while unboxing both the MCBs are in off position. Now turn on the battery DC MCB. As you turn on the battery DC MCB, the front LCD display will start to glow and you can check all the parameters on the front LCD display. If all the parameters displayed are okay, then turn on the power on off switch. And when you turn on the power on off switch, the backup LED will start to blink and you can see the output voltage 220 volt AC on the display. If it is okay, then off the power on off switch and turn off the DC MCB. Now connect input-output wires in the terminal. Before connecting grid or mains to the Maxiline 2400, first of all check phase, earth and neutral with the help of line tester. Now the LIN mentioned is connect with the mains or grid phase wire, neutral with N and earth with E. Please use different colored wires. Mains line in indicated as LIN with the red colored wire, earthing with indicated as E with the green color wire and neutral indicated as N with the black color wire. Connect the load as per the load capacity of the inverter. The maximum bulb load capacity of the Maxiline 2400 is 1900 volt. Please do not connect more load than that. Now check the bypass switch direction. It must be pressed to the downside. Now turn on the battery DC MCB. Then turn on the front power on off switch. The backup LED will blink. Now check your load. All the load is running in the battery backup. Before connecting mains, turn on the mains AC MCB. Now you can connect mains or grid to the Maxiline 2400. Check the mains LED in the front display. It will continue to glow if mains is available. And front LCD display will scroll out mains voltage, output voltage, charging current, etc. So this is the simple process of installation of Maxiline 2400 VA.